started my career at PTC in 2017 at our Shanghai office. In early 2020, I packed a suitcase for 6 days to a trip to Florida to visit my aunt and uncle. It was a few days later when we learned about a virus that was breaking out. Soon it became clear that I wasn't going to be able to make it back to China. So since 2020, I have been headquartered in the PTC Seaport office. That experience taught me that I thrived in change, actually. And change really started to define my life and my career. My role now as a Senior Director of Communications and Change Management on the BOSS program, in a few words, is to prepare people for change.
The BOSS program is a multi-year initiative focused on our quote-to-cash processes and systems where we're making it infinitely easier for our customers and our customer experience. Amanda's role is to lead the change management organization, which really breaks down into two areas. She leads the communication, which are both internal and external, and she leads the enablement and training function, which is a massive effort.
So you can imagine with these big projects focused in customer data management, a partner portal, improving our license management experience, moving an entire financial function to a new platform. There is a lot of change that comes along with these projects. And while we have the technical side of change, it's the people side of change that's just as important. So my team is to make sure that people, our customers, our partners, our employees, are ready to adopt those changes and put them into action.
We don't talk a lot about the change management piece of it. I know when I started this program, I didn't appreciate it probably the way that I should have, but without change management, communicating to the company what's coming, getting input from the organization on questions that they have, implementing the training programs, it would be hard to have a successful, significant software launch or set of process changes without a great change management leader and team.
We're excited on the BOSS program to see the positive impact that we're bringing to our customers and partners through our projects. Most recently, we launched a new managed licensing application aimed at improving our license management experience for our customers and partners. This managing licensing app has vastly improved how they're managed and see and understand their licenses and what they own with PTC. For our employees, we're focused on improving their experience as well. The BOSS projects have helped to implement best-in-class processes to improve the systems that employees are using every day. Better reporting, less manual work, increase in efficiency, less time spent on cumbersome tasks, and more time to focus on innovation and supporting our customers and our partners as they do business with PTC.
Amanda deserves to be a change maker because we've implemented some significant changes across the organization in the last few years, and those projects wouldn't have been successful, they wouldn't have been adopted by the company, by our partners, by our customers, without Amanda leading the change management team.
It's quite an honor to be recognized as a change maker for my work in the change space. I think it acknowledges how important change management is. We at PTC are focused on innovation, and you can't innovate without change.